to remove the speedo backlight bulbs and replace them. At first, what seems like a bit of a daunting task is actually quite straightforward. So I'll show you what's involved in getting to these pesky bulbs. So the first thing you have to do, remove the mirror. Then to remove the mirror, all you do is hit the mirror firmly. It disconnects it from the connectors, undo the bulb, the mirror is then off. Same on the other side. Disconnect, off. Once the mirror is removed, a couple of bolts here, look, which we remove both sides. That bolt there, that bolt there, and then the other bolts really that just hold this dash section to the front. Do the bolts and remove the screen, and then you will be left with these bolts here. Remove them, and then you can remove the instrument panel. So once the screen's removed, once those two bolts are moved, that will allow you to easily then pull this instrument binnacle section off. Now, located in here is the gear indicator and the switches, so there will be some wiring. You don't have to disconnect it in order to do this job, but sometimes it makes it easier if you just disconnect the multi-plugs, then you can take this right out of the way. So each of the switches over there have got a multi-plug. It's fairly easy just to disconnect them, and to then make it easy to just pull the entire thing right off. That's it, and then that comes right off. Now you're looking at the instrument panel. You can now easily remove the instrument panel. It's held on by 4 bolts here, which allows you to pull that forward and then gain access to the light bulbs at the back. So we'll just do that so we can see what's involved there. The 4 bolts are now removed, and then you can easily just pull this forward, which then gains access to the bulbs at the rear. On the back, you'll see these 2 nuts here. They hold the speedo in. So undo them, which will allow the speedo to be passed forward, and then the back lights are powered by this wire here. Also, the speedo trip meter screws. Take these 2 screws out. This allows you to remove the trip meter, then the speedo will come out of the housing. The speedo then falls out, and then here are your 2 backlight bulbs. A lot of work to get to 2 silly little bulbs. There's the speedo trip meter connector, and you take that off, and then that allows the speedo to come out with ease. And then the backlights obviously go in there. And if you do a test, turn the ignition on, turn on the side lights, and look, notice I've only got 1. So now I'll replace the bulb. There you go, replace both bulbs, and they're both working again. How annoying. Something like that can work 1 minute and then not the next. What an absolute swine. Here is the loom that feeds all of those instruments. Goes to a multi-plug down inside the fairing, down inside there. But yeah, bloody annoying.